Hello everybody! Today we're going to unbox and take a close-up look at the Nike Air Jordan 1 Low SE. So let's just take a look around the outside of the box. So in this box is a pair of Nike Air Jordan 1 Low SE shoes, and this pair is the men's UK size 8.5, US 9.5, Europe 43, Brazil 41, 27.5 cm, and this pair is in the black Anthracite Tour Yellow colourway, and the style is IM6568-010. And now let's go ahead and open up the box by lifting up the box lid, and let's peel back the wrapping or packing paper to reveal the Nike Air Jordan 1 Low SE in the black Anthracite Tour Yellow colourway. And let's remove the shoes from the box and set them on the tabletop. So set the box on the left hand side of the frame and giving you a look at the pair as they are straight out of the box. And now just setting the right shoe in the background as we focus in on the left shoe first. So giving you a look at the left shoe. And let's do a 360 rotation so you have that full and clear initial look of the shoe before we take much closer in looks at its details. So now taking a much closer in look at its details, so we can see the overall dark or black colorway of the upper of the shoe, and contrasted with those tour yellow accents and anthracite elephant print or grey elephant print for several of the panels, and we can see the various textures and how light plays against the overlays and panels. So giving you a close-up look at the vamp with the perforations in the toe box and that elephant print or grey on black texture. And we can see with the mudguard, very fine full grain leather there in black, and of course that small tour yellow or yellow embroidered Nike swoosh on the side of it. As we move towards the midfoot area, we can see once again the leather details for the eye stay and uppermost panel right there, and back towards the quarter panel, and we can see once again that elephant print and that textural quality, so it is raised, and we can see those grooves in black amongst that grey island-like animal print detail. And of course the Nike swoosh, we can see, does appear to have a tumbled leather detail to it, that very coarse and distressed or tumbled look to it. Now with the ankle and heel counter or back panel, we can see some distressed details as well with the grading of the leather. Now looking directly at the back or heel of the shoe, we can see that tour yellow embroidered Air Jordan detail with the wings and basketball. So giving you a close-up look at that detail right there. And as we rotate towards the inner side of the shoe, once again we see lots of leather details right throughout the upper of the shoe. So majority black colored detail of this colorway in the style of IM6568-010. And of course, being an Air Jordan, there is the encapsulated Nike Air in the sole of the shoe. Now taking a look directly from the tip, front or toe of the shoe and moving along its length towards the back, so you can see the details right across the length of the shoe. We can see on the tongue that triangle Jumpman logo with the Air detail right below it. And in terms of the padding or bolstering of the tongue, it is thick and firmly padded. And at the back of the tongue, the details with the lining as well as the back tongue label. And let's pop out the paper stuffing that's in there so we have a clearer look at the inside details of the shoe. So I'm just going to pull the laces out to the side, but before I do that, just giving you a look at the laces. So the laces are in black and they do have black aglets or lace tips to them. And inside the shoe we can see it does have a bright yellow or tour yellow sock liner or insole. And for the ankle and heel collar, it does have a very plush feel to it with the lining. And in terms of the firmness and thickness of the bowstring around the ankle and heel collar, very even with a firm level bowstring and thickness to it. And went with the composition or material sticker, just giving you a look right there. And the overall details around the inside as best that I can with the setup that we have right here. Okay, so just tucking the laces back in and taking a look at the sole or bottom of the shoe. So the sole, black rubber sole, and giving you a close-up look at its details. And of course, dragging my finger along the sole and tapping with my fingernail as well. Now let's do a flexibility bend and twist test with my hands to give you some sense of the shoe's firmness, stiffness, pliability or softness. Now just stretching and straightening the shoe back in shape. And now we take a look at the right shoe. So setting the left shoe down and in the background as we take a look now at the right shoe of this Nike Air Jordan 1 Low SE or Air Jordan 1 Low Special Edition. Let's do a 360 rotation with this side as well for that clear initial look. And now taking a much closer in look at its detail. So overall, once again, the black colorway of the shoe with the accents in tour yellow as well as that anthracite animal print for the vamp and the quarter panels of the shoe. And we can see once again black leather details right throughout with plenty of texturing to the grain of the various black leather overlays. And with the tongue once again, we can see that to a yellow Air Jordan Jumpman triangle on the tongue. And let's pop out the paper stuffing on this side as well for a look around the inside of the shoe and on the tongue label on the inside as well. So you can see that Jumpman logo in black on that tour yellow soft liner or insole. And with the bottom or black rubber sole, once again giving you a close-up detail this time round. And now let's take a look at the pair together side by side. And from the front to the back. Directly from the back. Top down. And the bottoms or soles of the shoes. So that's Nike Air Jordan 1 Low SE. Thanks for watching and happy walking!